When installing your current transformer, you open the clamp, you find the circuit that you want to attach to, and you go in, put the clamp around the circuit, and snap it shut. And you repeat that for each current transformer you would like to install. In this particular panel, we have very, very thin breakers. In cases where the space is required, you'll see it's better to stagger the current transformers so that they fit. In places where you have a little more space, the current transformers can be stacked one on top of each other. After all your current transformers are clamped around the wires, you will take the output of the topmost sensor and feed it into the sensor beneath it. And the sensors will daisy chain so that all the information passes through this sensor chain back to the transmitter unit. You can see we have a gap between our sensors. Your installation kit will include a variety of extension cables that you can use to bridge these gaps if you don't require sensors in between. Don't forget to listen to the click when you seat your cables to ensure the data is properly flowing through your sensors. In some cases, you'll be doing an entire panel, so you want to make sure that each sensor clicks in and your data flows through the entire column of the panel. When we installed on this side, we had our load facing this way, so our wire goes out this way. If we're installing on the other side of the panel, we want our current to still flow in the direction of the load. So we will install our CTs in this direction on this side of the panel.